Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about Kaggle, a platform where anyone can participate in various data science and machine learning competition. So by the end of this session you will know how to create an account, join a Kaggle competition, and also how to make your very first submission on Kaggle. So let's get started. So we have been hearing about the Kaggle. So what exactly is Kaggle? See, basically Kaggle is a platform where you can solve a real world problem using data. Many companies and researchers post their problem on Kaggle, and people from all over the world participate in these competitions. See, this is like a lead code, but very focused on data science and machine learning related problems. So there are multiple advantages of using this platform. So first of all, you get a taste of real world data sets. Okay, and that helps you to improve your analytical and coding skills. Apart from that, all these data sets are free. In fact, you get paid for participating and getting a high rank on some featured competitions. Okay, and apart from that also, you do not need to do any kind of setup in your system. You can do the complete coding in your browser, so that's a very big advantage. And apart from that, you get access to a very rich community of data science and machine learning practitioners. Okay, and that helps you to improve your knowledge. And so all right, so now we got to know about the various benefits of Kaggle. So the first step from here is that how to create a Kaggle account. See, creating a Kaggle account is very straightforward. First you need to visit kaggle.com, and there you can sign up using the sign up button. And then you have to select a unique username. All right, so once you are done with the sign up process, you can join a competition. So there are so many various Kaggle competitions you will see. I mean, there are some beginner friendly competitions, there are also like fun uh, fun level competitions, and apart from that there are also advanced level competitions where they also pay you some prize money if you get on top of the leaderboard. Okay, so that is there. So for this demonstration purpose we are going to use Titanic dataset problem statement. Okay, and then we are going to predict the survival outcomes. Okay, so yeah, once we got to know about the Kaggle we have already decided what problem statement we have to deal with in this tutorial. So we are going to create our first Kaggle notebook, and then after that and we will do the coding in that notebook and we will submit it into the competition. So see, there are multiple ways to participate and submit your solution into the competition. So two famous method is that, okay, first you do everything on the Kaggle notebook and directly submit your Kaggle notebook onto the competition page. Apart from that, what you can do is that you can create a solution file and you can upload it into the Kaggle and submit it. Okay, so these are the steps to do the submissions on Kaggle. Okay, uh, if you don't, do not worry, I mean we are going to go through each and every steps on Kaggle platform in this tutorial itself. Okay, all right, let's move to the Kaggle platform. Okay, let's type kaggle.com. So once you type this kaggle.com you will be here. Okay, and you have to click on register button and then you can register using your Google account. Once you do the registration process and do the and set up your username, no, you will get a page like this. Alright, so once you open your Kaggle account, no, you will reach at this page. So this is the dashboard you are going to see. Here one important thing which you have to observe here is that once you click on your profile, no, so you will see a page like this. here if you observe, so here you have your username. So this is something which is called as your username. Okay, here also your username is written. So remember, here this is the name which you can change. Okay, for example, for me, for myself I have set it that this as ABCD. Okay, you can change it anytime, but this username is not username is something which you cannot change anytime. Okay, so whenever for registration purpose we want, we want your username, not this name. Okay, here you can set it anything. Okay, and that is you can change later also, but this name cannot be changed. So remember it, whenever we ask you to share your username, no, you have to share this one, this smaller one, not this one. Okay, or I mean you can refer here also, this is your username. All right. All right, let's search for the various Kaggle competitions. Okay, and for this you can see here there are so many Kaggle competitions available here. All right, there are different prizes. For example, for this competition, if you get onto the top of the leaderboard, you are going to get $1 lakh, $1 million. So all these prize monies are there. So there are various categories of competition. So if you click on this, no, you are going to get all the list of competitions. So but yeah, here you can see the category getting started. So these are beginner level problem statement. Then there are featured Kaggle competitions. Okay, here you are going to see the prize money. Then there are playgrounds, so it's like a intermediate level Kaggle competitions. Okay, and then there are different categories here. Okay, so you can explore it later. So let's click on this getting started. Okay, so these are the beginner level Kaggle competitions. Okay, and yeah, we had to search for Titanic, right? Let's search this. Okay, see Titanic machine learning from disaster. Here you can see that, okay, 13,293 people have already participated in this Kaggle competition. Okay, so here you will see this join button, so you have to click on that. Okay, and so once you come into the competition, no, you have to click on this code button. Okay, once you click on this code, you are going to get a new notebook option. Okay, once you click on this, no, you will reach at this page. Okay, wait for some time, it is taking time to load. Yeah, it has loaded now. So once it gets loaded, you can click on the run current cell. Okay, so that the cell starts running, and maybe you can create a new cell. And what you have to do is that, okay, numpy is already we have already imported numpys and pandas, so we are going to use dummy classifier maybe for predicting the simple model. Okay, and do a demo submissions. Okay, so what you can do is that from sklearn dot dummy. Okay, and we are going to import a dummy classifier. Okay, it is all right. And then yeah, we have to load the training and test data also. Maybe let's load training data equal to df equal to, yeah, pd dot read csv. I can just copy this path for training data. Okay, and yeah, then maybe yeah, for test we can write a test equal to pd dot read csv. Almost same thing, just replace training with test part. All right, so yeah, like this we have loaded the training and test data. Let's see what is there in the training data. Now what is there in the test data. So here in the training data we have columns like passenger id, survived, okay, and then class, name, gender, age, all these things. Let's see what is there in the test data. Okay, sorry, yeah, test dot head. All right, so we can see that, okay, survived is the target variable here, so we are going to predict the survived column. Okay, so what we are going to do is that, okay, maybe let's create a variable name x equal to df dot drop. All right, what we have to drive survived, right? Survived, and maybe yeah, we have to put the x is equal to 1. Okay, this will drop the survived column. All right, and then what would be y here? Y equal to df of survived column. All right, so let's see what is x here, with just for cross checking. Okay, so you can see from x now target variable is not present, right? So let's import the model. Maybe now model equal to dummy classifier, right? Fire, maybe strategy equal to you can set any strategy. Maybe here let's go with the most frequent. All right, yeah, then let's do the model dot fit. So I hope this will train the model. Okay, yeah, we have spelled the strategy wrong, so it should be, I think, a small s. All right, yeah, so we have trained the dummy classifier model. All right, so let's use it to train the test data. So what we are going to do is that for train data, let's write see for this dummy submissions I have not done anything. Okay, I have not explored the data, I didn't do any pre-processing step. So but ideally you should not do it. Okay, you should follow the proper process. Okay, so I think what was the column name? Okay, we have kept it test only. Okay, I thought I have kept it as extract, which is usually we do when we do the pre-processing. All right, yeah, so we have the now y prediction for all the test data. So now we are going to create a submission file, which is very much important here. All right, so for to do that we are going to create a data frame. Okay, which has one column as a target id. Okay, and then second column the target whatever predicted value for target variable. All right, so let's create it. Maybe for better readability, let's passenger ID. You might ask from where you got to know about this, like this is something which you have to keep the variable number. This you can check from the sample submission file. Okay, there you will see there will be two columns. So what should be the name of column 1 and what should be the name of column 2. Okay, from there you can decide. All right, so what we are going to do is that we are going to create a test data set, I mean yes, submission file. Okay, and yeah, we can get from the tested data now. From there we can get the passenger ID as the column. Okay, and you for this you can do many things. Okay, if this values are serial number, you can directly set the serial numbers. Otherwise yeah, it's better to copy the from the test data only, directly copy the passenger ID. Okay, and then create a column name survived. I hope it was in capital S. Okay, anyways, Alright, so like this we have created this file. Okay, this data frame. Just see submissions dot head. Let's see what kind of file we have created. See, we have created a CSV file like this. Okay, you can do two things here. You can export it, and then maybe after exporting it also you can submit it directly the CSV file, or you can submit the notebook itself. Okay, so for this demonstration purpose we are going to submit the CSV file only. No, not CSV file, I mean, yeah, this notebook only. Yeah, so once I type this submission.csv, it will help me to create this data frame into the CSV file. I have named this CSV file as submission.csv. Okay, and yeah, index equal to false. Okay, let's run it. Okay, and I have to save this version also. Let's save it. So alright, so submission is completed now. Okay, we can see that. Okay, the submission is completed. So most probably we would have got some score on Kaggle. So how can we see that? Okay, I have already saved it maybe. Alright, okay, actually I have already submitted it, so maybe because of that I am seeing this. Alright, so you can do two things here. Okay, first of all, you can take this CSV file and you can use this for the let's reach here. So yeah, you can see this is the notebook which we have created just now, and we will reach a page like this. Okay, you can see here you have the option to share it to public, or maybe you can share it with IITMBS. Okay, for example, here you can search IITMBS CS2008P. Okay, ideally you have to share your notebook with this ID. Okay, yeah, you can do that. Apart from that, if I want to do editing, or if I want to do submissions Kaggle, you can see here you have the option of submit to competition. So if I click on this, I get option like this. It will submit my CSV file directly on Kaggle. Alright, my submission is done. You can see I have got 0.622 score using this dummy model. Let's see my rank on leaderboard maybe. So here is the option leaderboard. Alright, so here what was my team name? Most probably it would be ABCD. I'm assuming that. Let's see. Yeah, here you can see. So I have got rank as somewhere around 12,1995. Okay, so this is my rank currently. Alright, so like this you can do the submission on Kaggle. Alright, thank you everyone.